Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view extensions that are installed in Microsoft Edge web browser. I'll show you us how to do that. All you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge and click on this three dot icon and select extension, and here will be listed extension listed over here guys. You can able to see all the extension by clicking on manage extensions. Here will be all the extension listed over here. If you want to disable it, just toggle this to off position, or you can also enable it, or you can also remove the extension. If you want to see more details about the extension, select the details, and you can allow in private mode and allow access to file URLs. You can also remove the extension as well here. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.